SSD upgrade, and deep cleaning on HP Notebook 15 laptop. Thank you to Sir Carlo for trusting PTTIT Solutions. In this upgrade, we will be using PC Cooler 128GB SSD. It is the only brand that is on stock on our shop for 128GB capacity. Deep cleaning a laptop is essential for maintaining its performance, extending its lifespan, and ensuring a healthy computing environment. Over time, dust, dirt, and debris can accumulate inside the laptop, clogging vents. Fans, which can lead to overheating and reduced efficiency. Regular deep cleaning helps to remove this buildup, improving airflow and cooling efficiency, which in turn helps to prevent thermal throttling and hardware damage. PC Cooler brand SSDs are known for their reliable performance, durability, and competitive pricing, making them a strong choice for users looking to enhance their system's speed and overall computing experience. These SSDs offer fast read and write speeds, significantly improving boot times, application load times, and file transfer rates compared to traditional HDDs. PC Cooler SSDs are built with high-quality components ensuring longevity and stability under various operating conditions. Additionally, they often come with advanced features such as error correction, where leveling and trim support, which help maintain consistent performance and prolong the lifespan of the drive. SSD upgrade and deep cleaning is done. Visit our shop to avail our service. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.